Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail Products, and this video is about this paint cleaner. It's not wax, it's a paint cleaner, because this is a single stage, it's a blue single stage metallic base coat, okay? And this is designed to clean this off and bring that back, but it's not a wax, okay? This one here is the second step. It's a two-step process. Clean it, and then this seals it. But after you seal, you have a nice glossy coat on there. Your paint job is smooth, clean, and shiny again. You can use any kind of wax you want. So this is about paint restoration, okay? So there's a lot of different kinds of paint jobs. And in the old days, you had the metallics, you had the enamels, you had the lacquers, you had the acrylics, and stuff like that. And nowadays, you have clear coats, and there's a variety of clear coats out there. But this video is about how to bring back the shine on this single stage metallic base coat. So I'm going to use the paint cleaner for that and the sealer. Let's get started. Let's bring this baby back and make it shine and pop. I mean, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Wow. All right, let's do it. Okay, so this product, I kept calling it a paint cleaner. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's a color and gloss restore polisher. Has nothing to do with shine. There's no wax in it. So this portion of the paint right here, this side of the paint, it's oxidized. Listen, okay, that's just built up contaminants embedded in the surface. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the cleaner. Always shake the bottle up first, okay? And what you're going to do, use a generous amount. Oh, God, I got ahead of myself, sorry. Hey, listen, I always recommend that you use terry cloth towels for this. Here's a microfiber towel, but I prefer to use these because it's got more texture. And if you fold these towels up in half, fold them again in half, half, and half, you get 32 uses out of one towel. I kid you not. So, you want to fold it up, use that little area right there. Now when you put this on, you know, normally what do? You do circles, right? Because that's how you mask a paint with wax. But in this case, we don't want to mask, we want to remove this buildup. So I'm going to put this on, and I'm just going to go back and forth. You don't have to rub hard, you just polish the same spot, and it begins to clear up. Now, remember when you're working on a single stage paint job, it doesn't have a clear coat on there. So don't be alarmed if you see paint coming off. It's absolutely normal. The paint that's coming off is the paint that's brittle, that's dead and toasted, okay? What makes this product unique is that you're able to remove the oxidation without removing the good remaining, hard paint. And the good remaining hard paint is the original state of the paint job. It's shiny, it's clean. So I'm not gonna make it shiny by I'm not doing anything to make it shiny. I'm simply removing and cleaning the paint, because I know that when I clean it and remove this buildup, okay, I'm gonna use a microfiber towel here. Okay, but you see how the color's coming out? It still needs more. But what's nice about this product is that it's not so harsh that it'll remove it all. It only removes the oxidized portion. Okay, so I used that spot. Now I'm gonna fold it up, and look at that. See what I mean? Now I'm gonna use this spot right here. Now, this is a lot of elbow grease, guys, but considering what paint jobs cost nowadays, I mean, this is an alternative. And here's something else. You can piecemeal this out. You can do this side of the paint job today, come back next week, 6 months later, a year later, do the other side, okay? And the reason why is because we're not putting a shine over a dirty old paint job. We're removing the oxidation, the contamination, the embedded contaminants. We're removing it, okay? And it's going to take another 5, 10, 15 years or 20 years for it to get oxidized again. All I did was cleaned it. So this is now nice and clean. It's shiny. Listen to this. This is very important, guys, okay? Because remember, it's not a wax. This is paint cleaner. So what I just did right now, I brought back the original state of the paint job. This paint is shiny because it's hard, and it's shiny because it's clean and it's smooth. But there's no wax here. That's because I didn't mask it. Instead, I cleaned off the contaminants. This is going to take another 5, 10, 15, 20 years to get like this. So you understand what it does now? It's paint cleaner, not wax. Okay? So this is nice and shiny, squeaky clean. Now you do want to put some kind of protection on there. We got this wax right here. It's called the Lukat EZ Sealer wax. We call it a sealer wax because waxes are made for shine and pop, for sealing and light duty polishing. This actually does all that. But I use it primarily to seal what I just brought back. Okay. Now when you use the cleaner, you're going to go back and forth, not circles. Always clean in back and forth strokes. Do small controlled sections. And it's permanent. This is not going to wash off because we didn't mask it. I cleaned it. So now I'm going to use a sealer wax. And the sealer wax goes on in circles like a regular wax. But you kind of want to bear into it lightly. Kind of push it in. Sometimes when you do this, it just seems like the paint soaks it up. Okay? And then other times you put it on and like it just goes on, no problem. But if it's soaking it up, just keep adding it. Because this stuff is wicked, man. I mean, you put this on, it's going to seal your paint, and it'll hold the shine where other waxes fail. See, the thing about these old base coats and stuff, if you use this wax right here, if you live in an area where it's really hot, this won't haze up. Okay, you use the cleaner to bring back the good remaining hard paint. That's this right here. You use the sealer to seal the paint, and it's best to leave it on there for about 10-15 minutes, okay, for best results. Remember, I'm not detailing this paint job to make it shiny. I'm using the paint cleaner to remove the oxidation, and I'm using a sealer to protect the finish, okay? So that now, at this point, you can leave it like this. It's beautiful. Listen, you don't hear nothing. Over here, you can hear that. So right now, it's beautiful, it's shiny, it looks great, okay? And it's gonna stay like that. Okay, for years, because I didn't mask it. But now you can use waxes. Now you can use the over-the-counter products that give it more shine and pop and stuff, and you don't need these anymore. The one you might need a year or 2 years from now will be the sealer wax. Because this is, like I said earlier, this is a wax, okay? It's a sealer, but it's also a light-duty polisher. So if this hazes up slightly, you can just put this on and then just reapply it, and then it'll look better again. Then you can use whatever wax you want afterwards. But if you stay on it, you're good. You're good. Okay. So this is the Lukat Fix It. That's the paint cleaner. This is the Lukat EZ Sealer wax. It's a two-step process. You want to use them both in tandem. If you understand what a sealer wax is, then you can use other sealers as well. But the cleaner right here is not a wax. It's just designed to clean. It's very simple. You use it to fix paint jobs. If you have a brand new car, you don't need these products. If your paint job looks cherry, you don't need these products. But if your paint job is hazing up, oxidizing, you use the cleaner to remove that. If you have a newer car and it's starting to just slightly haze up, you can use this one with the polisher and it'll remove the oxidation so it's nice and shiny, but always put a wax on afterwards. Remember, these are for paint restoration, paint cleaning. They're great products. So I hope that helps you guys. Hey, check us out. Check out our offers on our website. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us that we got a solution. And again, this video was for a single stage base coat metallic. I'm going to make another video on clear coats, enamels, and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys take care. Happy New Year. And join us in our fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.